Sarah.
What do you want to watch?
Bino the elephant.
Why do you want to watch it?
Because.
Because why?
Because.
Why do you want to watch Bino the elephant?
I want to show you the video.
What's it about?
Sure.
What was it? Something about a cat and its butt? What's it about?
Sure. Sure, we'll leave a cat, butt, an elephant, a flower, doctor, / scientist, mad scientist. The elephant average into the guys, like the, what was it, the not professor, the scientist's wife, and she, like, okay, so the elephant like, appears there, teleports there, and she just explodes. And then the professor, the elephant's like, I'm sorry about that, and then the professor's all like, oh, don't worry, I got many more. That's not my only one.
What about the cat? Tell me about the cat, the lone cat.
It cannot. Keeps pooping, so it can find its butt, which it never does in that video.
Well, what does it say? Tell me what you said. It said earlier.
I just take a big poop, and I'm trying to find my butt because I've never seen my butt in my life. I'm trying to smell it. I want to see it so I can pick it. Seriously, that's what it says. You need to watch it. Watch it. Watch it. You need to watch it.
Why should I watch it?
I just give you reasons.
What if I don't want to watch it?
And then the elephant has to pee on the flower. The flower tells the elephant to pee on it, and the elephant doesn't do it, but the professor, the scientist guy's like, yeah, do it. You know, just do what it says. A talking flower.
Chrysanthemum. It sounds like you say chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum.
Can you speak? I think you're drunk.
What is 11 o'clock tonight? 11:01 to be precise.
Thank you. I hate it when people do that.